Ever wondered if robots could one day be your best friend? Well, that's AI. Hi. Welcome to Hi, where we make artificial intelligence fun and easy to understand. Today we're diving into the basics. What exactly is AI, and why should you care? Let's get started! So what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans do. Imagine having a brain inside a computer. Just like how we learn from experience, AI learns from data. For example, if you show a program thousands of pictures of cats, it'll eventually learn to recognize a cat in a new picture. Pretty cool, right? AI is already a big part of your life, even if you don't realize it. For instance, have you ever talked to Siri or Alexa? They're AI-powered virtual assistants that can understand your voice and help with tasks like setting reminders or playing music. Or how about when Netflix suggests what to watch next? That's AI analyzing your viewing habits and recommending shows you'll love. But how does AI actually work? It's all about machine learning, where computers learn from data instead of just following instructions. Let's break it down. First, you feed the AI lots of data, like pictures, text, or numbers. Then the AI looks for patterns in this data. Finally, over time, the AI gets smarter at recognizing these patterns. It's kind of like teaching a dog new tricks, but in this case, you're teaching a computer. Let's bust some common myths about AI. Myth 1. AI is going to take over the world. Fact. AI is a tool created by humans to perform specific tasks. It doesn't have consciousness or the ability to make decisions beyond what it's programmed to do. Relax, the robots aren't taking over anytime soon. No worries, I'm here to help. Myth 2. AI is only for tech experts. Fact. AI is becoming more user-friendly and accessible. You don't need to be a genius to use AI. Just think of Siri or Netflix, it's already in your hands. And finally, Myth 3. AI will replace all jobs. Fact. While AI might change the job market, it's more likely to work alongside humans, not replace them. Plus, new job opportunities will emerge as AI evolves. So to recap, AI is a field of computer science focused on creating machines that can think and learn like us. It's already part of your daily life, from virtual assistants to Netflix recommendations. And no, AI isn't taking over the world or replacing all jobs anytime soon. See you next time on Hi. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more fun and informative AI content. See you next time, and remember, AI is here to help.